Well, that was the first. Hey, I think we're back live. Yeah, we're back live, and I just got blue screened. Cool. That's the first. So yeah, where was I before saying that? Right. So yeah, I think I was just blabbering about. So basically, I'm going to try to do this full time and see just where I get. So, in a way, I'm actually curious. So the first part is, I'm curious how is everyone doing? Like, how's everyone's progress on their projects? And the second thing I'd like to know, like through this video or in the comments, I don't know, on Twitch, on YouTube, is just what would you find interesting? Like what people have seen from me from the past, like 70 streams. Like, yeah, we've reached 70 streams. What have you like found most interesting in what I was talking about and chatting? So, spoiler alert, I'm gonna try to figure that out myself. I'm gonna go over and watch as much content as I can, like, bear with my sanity. But yeah, I'm gonna try to take a look and see what was interesting, what was, I guess, different, a bit new, and I'm gonna try to expand in those directions, like work a bit on content. But at the same time, just to clarify, this is not, oh, I am quitting my job to, I have quit my job to be like a full-time content creator. Like, I am going to be a content creator, but it is not going to be the main focus. The main focus is going to be still to make the game. And so, with that, to put my money where my mouth is, I'm going to create a new project. So, as I mentioned on Saturday, this is not going anywhere. This is still like stuff that is, I believe, I hope, is valuable and that I'm going to get back to. But this was all created, well, I guess to say to do. All of this was created because I wanted to just get some confidence. Also, I don't know, maybe curiosity, maybe something. Do I want to do some sleeves? I think I can just work on it and explain. So let's get used to that. So all of this was created because I wanted to have something to work on. Hey, Steffi, yes, you. So yeah, welcome to the stream. I'm gonna say just because it has been bothering me a little bit, but I would actually like to turn down the profanity from streams, from chat, just because I kind of want to transition to something where I don't know, I want to, because profanity is one of those things that different people can react to it quite differently, and it can be a bit of a sensitive topic. So I'm just gonna say that, like from today's stream, I'm going to start excluding profanity. Yeah, it's okay. Like, just mentioning, like, I didn't say anything beforehand, so that's why I'm saying this time. Like, it's all right. Yeah. So like, yeah. But yeah, welcome back. Welcome back to the regular setup. It's nice to see you again. How have you been doing? Where was I? Oh yeah. So this was the regular, not the regular. What am I saying? let me find one for the stream instead. Oh, are you like picking lyrics based on like this stream name or something, or just like any stream? Project list. 7crypt. I showed you all my demons, all my lies, yet you played me like Atari. Oh wow, that is amazing. Okay, from which song is that? Okay. Mm, okay. Question mark 2? Question mark 1? Sure. Browse projects. Select current folder. And I'm doing good. I think I'm going to take a long pause from Lord, mostly because of life and other things that need my attention. Okay, that is very understandable. Okay, yeah. I wish you the best of luck. Just, I guess, having a break and seeing to your own stuff. Yeah. Thank you for still joining, even though you're taking a break. Is this like a complete break from um, game dev in a sense? Forward control. Yeah, create an edit. Okay. Right. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is fine. So is that visible? Yeah. Inspector. Right. I wouldn't say a complete break. I won't be making games, but I'll be fine tuning my coding skills and pixel art skills. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, that's nice to hear. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, that does sound like a good idea. Yeah, I kind of also I kind of feel similar that I'd like to take a break from like take a break from working on this game right here, and in a sense maybe I will like I'm thinking for the next 3 days I'm gonna just uh, but mostly I want to play The Sims 4. I decided to give it one last chance. Okay, nice. Oh, by the way, how was it? Did you happen to find your save files? Like, did that work out? And this time I am not setting any boundaries. I am downloading every mod that I want. Okay, nice. You go. Mm-mm. Right. Yeah. Where was I? Oh yeah. So, I'm kind of deciding things as I go right now, but I am going to just experiment a bit with Godot 3D and try to have some fun. I call this question mark, but I don't even know if this is. But yeah, sure. Let's just have some fun. Scenes Resources. Let's save this. It's like a main one. And okay, I can't create new stuff. So mesh instance 3D. Static body 3D. Okay. At 0, 0, not like some random position. Hooray. No, but it's fine. They weren't important anyway. All I lost was just some random builds, which are all on the gallery anyway, and my random saves were I murder Sims or make them do absurd things. Okay, gotcha. Physics material. What do you need? Collision shape 3D. Collision shape 3D. And this needs a shape. Shape is gonna be sphere, box, capsule, cylinder, height map shape. Height map shape. Nope. How do I zoom in on something? And I'm trying to move my Sims 4 files to my D drive since it has more space, though every time I do, for some reason it just reverts back to using the C drive. Yeah, that could be, it might be because when you installed the game, you installed it on your C drive, and so now, like, I don't know which launcher you're using, but it might be internally still thinking that you're using the C drive. So instead of it seeing that, oh, your files have been moved to someplace else, instead it sees that, oh, these files must have been deleted, so it just kind of redoes that. So it might be that you have to like specify somewhere on the launcher that, oh, you actually want to launch from the D drive. So does this have any kind of visual height map? Okay, let's Google some stuff. Height map. Okay, so I like. Yeah, so you kind of create terrain. Then once you import to Godot, gotcha. Okay, so that's not what I want right now. I just want some simple cubes. Why is it wireframe? That's interesting. I guess it doesn't have a material. Visibility material. This physics material. Transform, no. I assume the collision shape has its process, no, physics, auto, editor, Godot, 3D shape, right. Mesh instance, yeah, how about material? Material, add material to 3D shape. So I'm reinstalling it again to the C drive, but this time I'm not going to move only the sims, moving the entire documents folder containing every EA arts file. Yeah, I think EA, I remember I tried to do something similar, has like it's not as clean as like something with Steam where, oh, you can just specify a new folder and that's from where it launches everything. It's just kind of finicky. It's not that well made, the launcher itself. Add material, standard, set shape, texture. If you want it to be visible, you need to also add a mesh instance to it. Prism mesh. Okay, so I need to mesh. Right, resource, no. Size, disabled, no. Transform, no. Visibility, no. Process, physic. Do, do, do. It's horrible. For a $40 billion company, they sure make some horrible apps. Yeah, it's difficult. Like, I wouldn't say the apps are horrible, but it just feels like certain parts are rushed and then kind of left as they are. And I guess that's just the sad truth of trying to create as much new stuff as possible, because it is like it's the most profitable. So that's the case. Like I think I mentioned it, but I'm gonna keep harping on what a Corridor Crew said, because I think it is very, very true that, and I kind of experienced it myself, that no one wants to create a bad product. There's just not enough time for it. And with game development, there is also another case for it. There's also not enough time, or there can also sometimes be too much time. Just people working on something for too long. So, yeah. Anyway, so do I have any kind of static body? I like how I've like just switched to 3D, and instantly I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. This is fun. This is my very first time with 3D actually, so for the next couple of days, join me as I explore, trying to figure out how this works without using a tutorial. I imagine that's something that like, props to like the Godot community for making tutorials and everything, because they are definitely needed at this stage. Like, same with Unity, I guess. Like, how would you just figure out on your own after opening like a script file that, oh, if you want to like access this object that the script is attached to, like position and move it and stuff, you have to do game object dot transform dot position and then do something with it, or I guess transform dot position, but I'm old school. So why does that help? Okay, yeah, you can just do transform dot position. But yeah, like right now I'm trying to do the exact same thing, and I'm trying to understand if I'm missing something obvious. Godot create a new 3D cube. Archive. CSG. New mesh instance, then create a new copy. You mesh the mesh profile. Right. So this is for test cube. But what about so mesh instance. Mesh instance 3D. Oh, wait. So that's why it's not working. I'm making a collision shape. I actually need a mesh instance. There we go. Now it makes sense. Yes, so box mesh. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Great. Now it works. So, okay, I have a cube. I have no idea how to zoom in on it. Oh, okay, yeah. So I need both. Zoom. Static body. Collision shape 3D. Box shape. Yeah, it's standard size. Is it like a little bit inset? No, maybe not. Right. So we have that. Camera 3D. I guess let's just do some naming first. So we have the world. This is going to be the floor. I'm going to set the collision shape 3D only serves to provide a collision shape to a collision object derived node. Okay. So, right. Okay, then I'm then gonna do just node 3D, I guess. So this is gonna be floor. Is visible what I'm doing? Yeah, it's visible what I'm doing. Cool. Then I'm gonna say static body 3D. Yeah, there we go. And then this is gonna be what I scale up and down. Let's make this 10 by 1. No linking. 10 by 0.5 by 10. I found a tutorial on how to move my EA stuff to the D drive. Time to follow it step by step, yet still somehow mess it up. Yeah, best of luck. Hopefully it works first try. We believe. Yeah. Node configuration word. With a non-uniform scale, this node will probably not function as expected. Please make but change the size of collision. But okay, but that's weird then. So okay, I understand. Like I would probably not do this in a testing case scenario, but this is kind of annoying. Like I have a mesh instance and a collision shape. So now I have to like scale both. So if I do this, no, so let's say, right, I do a link to, there we go. So now I link it. Yeah, this is still the old shape. So now I have to like move both shapes every time. Well, for that, the Sims 4 needs to install, which is taking forever because the game is not optimized and still uses settings from the 2010s. on top of that, the EA app is incredibly buggy and slow, yes. And overall horrible to use. Yeah, sounds like a fun time. Oh yeah, speaking of which, I'm curious, like you mentioned last time that you played Cozy Glade. Is it like similar, is it a similar experience to just building in The Sims? Um, and also, does it feel lacking in any way that there's no like interactivity with it? Like you can't put in characters, you can't treat it really like a builder or a life sim thing? Like, how was the experience in general? Okay, so you 10 by 2, 10, 10. There. So now I have something. No. 111. Alright, so I get it. You want me to do this. 10 to 10. Right. And then I guess you potentially also at 10, 0.2, 10. Okay, I'm getting it now. That I want to use the proper ways. So here I am using the proper ways. Now, do I need? Yes, this theoretically I should need like both a collision shape and a mesh instance. Since the mesh is the mesh. That's just a visual thing. Oh, tiny glade. Sorry. And no, it is not. It has procedural building, so the textures, etc., all change and move depending on what you do. And no, it's only a building game. Okay, gotcha. Yeah. Because yeah, I'm curious to try it out. So wait a minute, doesn't it like release today? Today, I think. Yeah. So, oh, tomorrow, in its full form. Uh-huh. It's already today for me, but I guess it's not gonna be up like until like it's today for you. So yeah, guess I'll have to wait the whole day to try it out. Oh, I guess yeah, I can still try it the demo, so that's good to know. Okay, next up, I want to add a camera. And let's have the camera preview. So I know there should be some kind of way to have like the camera is as a little preview thing, but I'm not sure how. Godot have camera preview. Little camera preview. Okay, that's an asset. Okay. Where did I read that like, oh, this is now like a Godot like proper feature? Because yeah, okay, it's looking in the right direction. Okay, I can see it. Hey, Final Turn, what's up? Welcome back to the stream. Welcome to the stream where I have not watched a single tutorial on how to do Godot 3D things, and I'm trying to just like figure it out intuitively. Okay, so I guess technically I'm lying. Like I just watched a very short video on just why my plane wasn't like rendering, and because I didn't have any mesh instances. But yeah, I'm just completely experimenting and like without seeing what's working. Oh, nice. Steffi already asked, how is the game working? Yeah, I'm curious too. Okay, let's see. What do we have for options? Audio, bone attachment, collision, shape join, grid map, light map pro, marker, bullet path, skeleton. Um, I would like to make a simple 3D game in Godot, though I'm not even sure what to make, nor do I have enough confidence to attempt 3D. It's much too scary. Well, hey, hopefully I give you the confidence to try it out, because once you see just how long it's going to take for me to do anything in 3D, it's going to look a lot simpler than you think. What are you trying to do in 3D right now? I am trying to make a platform and a cube that just goes up when I press a button. And I'm trying to, I'm just trying basic stuff. I've never done 3D in Godot, so I'm just kind of trying to imagine what I should be doing. So I guess I know some stuff, like having character body 3D is a pretty good bet. So I guess let's add a mesh instance. There's actually something built in Godot which should help with this. Like I imagine there is a lot of stuff built in to Godot that would be a better way of just doing it. Oh yeah, character body 3D. Yeah. So right, so mesh instance, collision shape. There we go. So let's add another. Let's make a bean. Right, we have the bean. Now let's make the bean look like the bean. Okay, we have a visible bean. And the bean is going to be above. Okay, nice snapping. And basically, I believe that's it. Yeah, let's create Mr. Bean. There we go. Yes, I trust the offers. Oh, nice. Okay, so this one, let's turn it off. Yeah, let's save. And now, nice. It automatically caught that one. Cool. The specified Godot executable is invalid. Select Godot. Huh. Okay. Yeah, so something is not quite right linked. But I don't need that right now. I can just do something. Okay, so is this going expected identifier? Huh. Func process. There we go. If dot key keep. Is that how I did it? Script pressed. No, I think that's not. Input event. No. I do not remember. Sure. Is action just press? It's actions, right? So everything is about actions. Cool. Right, let's make some new actions then. Jump. Add. Right, so keyboard, it's gonna be space. If action is action. If action release. Just release. Huh. Did you make a new script in code? No, I made it through Godot. So before I had like the GDX extension, and I think I had to give it a new path for where to find the executable. So I assume I'm gonna have to do it for this project the same. Somehow it just doesn't correctly link. As I think this is a GDX script, I can check soon. So if I just do a pass, I run it. Yeah, it doesn't know what to do to run. So I guess it doesn't really find the right paths for stuff. Action just released. And then here I can do jump. Just pressed is action. Yeah, so I guess they're using just pressed for like on a key down thing. So position plus equals like 100. Yeah, there we go. So position dot y. Oh, so there isn't like the. I guess it's a bit simpler than you can just directly access every variable. I imagine that has issues, but select current, right. There we go. It jumped up. Okay, I think this might be a bit of a different scale. Okay. Yeah, but there is no gravity. So do I need to turn on gravity? If you extend it from the inspector, it gives you some starter code. Interesting, because I didn't get any starter code. Yeah, that might have been something. Character body. Motion mode, grounded, floating, floor. Collision, input, transform, visibility, physics. Okay, let's look for project settings, general, gravity. Default gravity, yeah, that's one. So I assume this should be affected, but it's not. Do I move and slide? Move and slide. Position plus vector free dot up times 10. Is that something? Wait. Moves the body based on velocity. Body collides with another, it will slide along the other body rather than stop immediately. Merge also be affected by the other body. If a slide collision occurred to get the latest collision call. So it doesn't like accept any arguments, but velocity is equal to vector free dot up times 10. Okay. Yeah, so it's like, it's just moving barely. There's also no lights in the scene, so that's good to know. Light. Sunlight? Is there like a sun lamp? Skylight? No 3D, light 3D. Yeah, there we go. Where is the light 3D? Let's light map probe. Camera, collision shape. Oh, nice. I can't really seem to find it. Okay, let's see. I imagine somewhere else. Okay, visual instance. And then light. So, visual instance, decals, like, there's tons of cool stuff here. That is nice to see. Directional light, omni light. Shows a light bulb or candle spotlight. Okay, so I wanted a directional light. And right now it's not where I want it to be. Oh yeah, so it's in that direction. Can I like grab it? No. Okay. There we go, that's the direction. Oh, that is... Okay, yeah. Guess I'll figure out at some point to do that. Okay. What am I missing for gravity? So I didn't mark this as a static object, so that makes sense. Does it have to be floating? No, that's not it. Up direction, collision, input, transform, visibility. Does it need weight? It might need weight. But I don't actually see anything. Okay, I know why it's not working. Wait, but so does the character body to the... Is it not the same as a rigid body? Character body, so it's a physics body. Let's see. Node VD. Physics. Where are the physics? Shouldn't my Sims 4 game come inside of an EA folder? Depends. If the game asks you, like on the very first time that you install it, does the game ask you where you want it to be installed? If it doesn't, then it should be... I'm not seeing one anywhere. Should I re-download the game to get one? Oh, I'm sorry that this is like such a mess with the download stuff. By any chance, do you have like the everything tool that I showed you? Maybe it could like show you where it was downloaded. Okay, then maybe that will help you like see where it is. And I'm assuming that it's probably still going to be in the documents. Like just assuming the worst case scenario. Though I guess like if you moved it already, then it shouldn't be there. I have no clue where it could be. Half recast. Um. Character body for you. No, rigid body. So collision object. Okay, yeah, collision object. Collision object. There isn't even an EA folder downloaded. Okay, interesting. Yeah, then where is it downloading to? Okay, gotcha. So I don't want a character body. I want to change type to be a rigid body. Okay. And then here I want this to be rigid. E. Not declared. Velocity. Linear velocity. Scales vector up times 10. There we go. Okay. I have a bean. The Sims 4 is downloading to my screenshots folder. What chain of events caused this? Oh, I'm sorry. That sounds incredibly that sounds incredibly annoying, but it also is pretty funny. I can't even cancel the download because the button isn't working. Damn, that is an all matter of messed up. There's some, what does my laptop have against me? I think your laptop is trying really hard to help you, but it is just as confused about what EA is doing as you are. Oh, damn. That's sad. I wonder if that would work. So I guess a symbolic link could fix all of this, but I'm not sure if it would work like that. So it'd kind of be hacky. Also, I don't know if like symbolic links work on all Windows like stuff. Windows symbolic link. Can I create a symbolic link? Necessary cookies. It seems like the junction command has been tried in Windows 10. So how do you symbolic links to Windows 10? Download junction. Okay, like you have to download stuff. So okay, that's a hassle. I'm never giving this company a cent ever again. Yeah, that's the sad part with stuff that just doesn't work out of the box. What can you do? Hopefully it works out eventually. I guess try seeing what happens once it finishes downloading. And what okay, how could you fix this? It downloaded to the most random folder because it couldn't find your documents. So here's I think what I did. So let it download completely, right? Then you're going to move what you just downloaded, like I guess rename the folder or something. I don't know. It's like how can I show this somehow? Yeah, because I think this might work, since I think I did something similar to my sister. 1 second. Okay, Milton. Can I see a Milton, please? Yes. Okay. So, draw. Yes, right. So you're going to have your folders, right? And this is right now your screenshots for some reason. And this is like the D drive where you want it to like all to happen. So what I believe is happening, EA still thinks it's trying to like download everything to screenshots or documents or whatever it's doing. I think it should have an option to delete stuff like itself, like to like not delete from like your file browser, but from like the EA app. So what you could do is you could rename the thing that gets downloaded in your screenshots, just so it doesn't accidentally delete it, and try deleting it through the EA app. And once you've deleted it, I think it should then let you specify where you want to download it. So then you can try like selecting that downloads it to your D drive, start that, cancel it, and by that point, it should create a folder with EA in your D drive. And then you should be able to copy over everything there, so you don't have to re-download it. But then just EA will know that, okay, everything that's going to happen is going to be here. I'm hoping that works. So does it make sense, like what I suggested? Do I even have the origin? Yeah, I do have the EA app. Let me check even, does it, can I find like something similar? Are you, Steffi, on Windows or on Mac by any chance? Or Linux? That'll be interesting. I will try deleting it through the app, specify the documents folder, make sure it says EA Arts, and make sure it's in the D drive and not the screenshot folder. Yeah, sounds like a good call. But yeah, that is so incredibly annoying. Like, it should be so simple to just let you select a different location for where you want to install stuff. And it's sad that I don't think like that EA has it. EA specify different location for games. Oh. EA desktop. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit confusing even on the internet. But yeah, hopefully this works out. I do have the EA app. I'm gonna try to maybe check it out. 1 sec. I do not remember my logins, so never mind, I guess. Maybe another time. Or better yet, go through the pain of using the command line, changing the location of the Sims 4, using the command line, change the settings to, of course, Forge to make sure mods go to D drive Sims 4, and hope for the best. Yeah, that might work, but also I'm afraid that EA might still be angry that, oh, are you just trying to make sure that mods are, like, I guess, yeah, because mods are going to take up the most amount of space, so Yeah, hopefully that could work too. But the base game does also take up quite a bit, if I remember correctly. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Stay strong, Steffi. You got this. No. As well as create a new mods folder, since without the EA folder, there's no automatic mods folder, which means I have to find the resource CG file, move all my mods into that, repair the game, run CurseForge, and then Sudoku. Yeah, sounds like a hassle. Well, on the bright side, you're hacking, so you will have knowledge of ghost stories of how back in your day games were completely broken and you had to do all this convoluted stuff to have it installed. You could make like an Easter egg in Lord where there's like some kind of, I don't know, message delivery service that like delivers mail to one location, but it's always the wrong location to where the player like is their current residency, I don't know, or something, and it takes like, you need to go to hell and back, like literally, to be able to change where you get mail. That would be like a fun Easter egg. Okay, so I guess this is not technically jumping, this is just like floating right now. Can I make it bounce? Static body, physics material, new physics material, friction 1, bounce 1. Okay. And it's bouncing. I can tell my grandchildren playing The Sims 4 in around 50 years how their grandfather used to spend 72 hours to download a game. I like that idea. I'll write it down. Nice. Okay, we have the bouncing. All working. Wing. Also, I'm still showing the drawing screen. Okay. I am back. Oh, and I am not showing the game running. Window capture. No, it's not this one. Not that one. Okay, yeah. Question mark debug. This one. Okay. There we go. We have a bouncy Mr. Bean in 3D. I mean, according to EA, The Sims 4 is now The Sims Forever since they refused to make The Sims 5. Yeah, that's an interesting choice. But you know, even Microsoft said, "Oh, Windows 10 is the forever Windows," but it did make Windows 11. So at some point, they're gonna want more money and they're gonna make The Sims 5. Like, I am pretty positive. Congrats! Yeah, thank you. I am proud of having something that floats and falls on screen. Okay, so I guess if input dot is action pressed left right floats linear velocity is equal to v dot left times 10, 5 times, I don't know, delta, something like that. And then we go right here. Okay, let's see the bouncy bean move. Oh, I don't have the actions. I want this to be actually lowercase. Project settings, input map, jump, then add left, right. Left is gonna be A, right is gonna be D, close, play it again. Okay, it's now fallen. I have a spinning bean. Where did it go? Even CurseForge doesn't want to work. Every app is out to get me tonight. I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Just physics fun, really. We have a 3D thing. It's drawing, it's showing, there's a camera, there's a bean, it's bouncing around. That's quite fun. Like, physics stuff is fun. And I think I'm gonna stop it there. Best of luck, Steffi. Hopefully it works out at some point. Yeah. If not, then hey, at some point, it's going to be so bad and so angry that you're just going to decide that, okay, I'm just making the Sims instead of trying to fix it. So, and then we'll have a great new Sims game. So best of luck, everyone, with your projects. Have a great day, morning, evening, etc. And I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.